Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can change your Spotify picture on mobile. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Spotify, go to right top corner to the settings and then click on the view profile of your name, and right above click edit profile and right click change photo. Now you can choose photo or you can take one. So I'm going to choose, and I have this one here, and use photo. And right here, click save. And this is how you can simply change the Spotify profile image. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.